Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from CoinMarketCap to Cash App. First, remember, you can transfer directly from CoinMarketCap to Cash App because CoinMarketCap isn't a wallet. So you'll need to send your funds to your bank account first. Open CoinMarketCap. Choose the token you want to move and tap Send. Select the correct network, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Once everything is verified, the funds will be sent straight to your bank. When your bank receives the money, open Cash App, tap the banking icon at the bottom left, and make sure your bank is linked. After that, go back to the main screen, tap Add Cash, type in the amount you want to transfer, and it will instantly appear in your Cash App balance. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from CoinMarketCap to Cash App. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.